Okay, so I'm at my sewing machine now, and I'm just gonna sew down the little triangles. Okay, so the pockets are done. So now we will quickly sew the image on the fabric. Okay, so we have this, and now we sew this onto the cover. So I want it to be like this. It would totally make sense to clip that down with some clips, but I'm thinking we should be okay because it's not that big. And anyway, it doesn't have to be so perfect. I don't like it perfect anyway. So this should be fine. Okay, so that's that. And now we need to just sew this onto the cover. And for this now, I'm actually gonna get some clips because too much can go wrong here. So I'll be right back. Now I've gone all around once, and what I see is that there's quite a bit overhang here, and it's very uneven here. So what I could do, and actually there's quite a bit here, but that's better than being too short. So what I could do is cut these edges closer and then go around it again with the zigzag stitching, so it won't fray. But basically, yep, that's it. That's how I do my covers. I got the two pockets inside, and then I can sew in the signature in the middle. Okay, so this is the finished first one, so I just put the signature in here, and I don't really sew it in until it's finished because I feel it's easier to work on the pages while I'm still able to take them out. And then I did the second one, exactly the same method, but what I actually realized when I was doing this is actually it makes much more sense to sew the zigzag against the fraying all the way at the end after you've sewn it onto your cover, because then you can just sew it on, cut around the edges, and then do the zigzag thing. That just makes much more sense. So I can put the second signature in here, and I decided to put this image on the cover. And yeah, so I have my two signatures here, and I can put them in the leather cover. There we go. So to be continued, because I still obviously need to decorate and everything. Okay, thanks for now. Bye bye.